Today we're going to be making a very easy recipe for Christmas bark. It only has 3 ingredients: white chocolate chips, pistachios, and cranberries. We're going to start by chopping our salted pistachios so they're quite chunky. And then we'll go ahead and chop our cranberries. You need a cup of each. And then you're going to take a tablespoon of each and put them aside. Next, you're going to take 3 cups of white chocolate chips. And pop them in the microwave, starting with 30-second intervals. I took the time to show you what it looks like after each one. Okay, there they are at the second 30-second intervals. This is what they look like after the third 30-second interval. They're almost done, but you see how they melt a little bit more as you stir them? Gave them another 30 seconds and brought them out to stir, and you can see now they're liquid and very smooth like thin icing. So I took and I transferred them to another counter for better lighting, and we're just going to add our pistachios and our cranberries and give that a really good stir. You want everything covered really well in the white chocolate. Now you're going to need a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and you pour your chocolate mixture onto the parchment paper, and I like to use a buttered spatula and spread it out as thin as I don't know, about 1/3 of an inch thick. Once you get it all spread out, you don't even have to cover it. Just pop it into the freezer or the fridge for half an hour, 20 minutes, until it's solid. Then you can take it out and cut it into pieces with a knife, or break it into pieces like you would peanut brittle. Finally, you just sprinkle the cranberries and the pistachios on top that you left on the side at the beginning. And that's all there is to it. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, go check over on the blog. I've got it posted there as well.